Hi guys, for no particular reason, we're looking at my finger. I'm using my USB microscope, and we're just looking at my finger. It's not in perfect focus. Let's move it around. I'm just trying to see how clean my finger is. I was looking at it just now, and there's a little piece of dust on there. Oh, right in the middle of the screen, there's actually a dead pixel on the camera. That's what that black spot is. But we're just looking at my fingerprint, basically. Oh, there's some bits of dirt. I've got a needle, sewing needle. Let's see if we can. Oh, let's try and get that black dot in focus somewhere. I lost it. Where is it? There it is. I can turn my finger. Right. Now I'm going to bring a needle in. Sewing needle. Just to give you an idea of scale. Yeah, sewing needle, not particularly sharp compared to a pin. But that is a piece of dirt on my finger, or dust. You see anything else interesting? Oh, there's a piece of fluff up on the top with me needle. Can't do anything with it. Oh, we're out of focus again. A piece of cotton or something. I'm in real trouble getting that in focus. And that almost looks like it's under the skin, doesn't it? I haven't got anything sharp enough. Oh, that's not even as sharp as the needle. I'll go and see if I can find a sharper pin. Right, tiny bit of dust on my finger. Got a sharper pin. I don't know if it's much sharper than the needle. Oh, it's a bit of a pointier pin, isn't it? It's actually stuck to the needle, to the pin. I can't hold it still enough. Dropped it again. No, it's dropped off. Oh well, at least that gave you an idea of the size of a pin. Yeah. Oh well, that'll do. So that's my skin. How are we going to edit this? Well, that was the pin I was using. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.